One note. Okay, my OneNote is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Please drop the message in chat box because I'm not able to listen audibly. Am I clearly audible and my screen is visible? Okay. So let's start with this master theorem. Before the starting another searching algorithm, quick sort and merge sort, you have to understand about the master theorem, right? So as you know that in a whenever you are complete your first chapter, so that time you can identify that recurrence relation and binary search, backtracking binary search is there for the analysis, right? So whenever you are doing this binary search and backtracking operation, so that is very difficult task to identify analysis, because क्या होगा कि अगर एक एनालिसिस आपको सिर्फ एक वर्स्ट केस और बेस्ट केस सर्च करना है, तो उसके लिए आपको पूरा ट्री मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, फिर उसका रिकरेंस रिलेशन मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. सो इट इज वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग टास्क, right? So if you understand this master theorem, so that is very easy for you. So whenever you have a general function, so you can easily identify that how you can write the master theorem and how you can analyze the complexity, right? So here one standard method which is called as the master theorem, and here I mentioned one the recurrence relation, which is T of n is equal to AT, right down, which is T of n is equal to AT n by b n plus f of n. So here this is our function f of n, right? And this is your generalized method, generalized recurrence relation, right? So basically what is the meaning of that and what we have to do whenever we are doing the analysis? So first of all, assume that the value of a which is greater than or equal to 1. So always the value which is greater than the or equal to 1, which is not 0. For this b, your value which is greater than 1, and the f of n function, the value is theta n raised to k log of n p, log of base n p. So this is your function f m n value, right? So what you have to do whenever you do this, you have to remember this function and you have to remember these three cases, right? So दो तीन बार लिखना, so you can easily recognize that what cases we have in the master theorem, right? So always you have to identify two value, log a base b and k. So whatever mentioned over here, this is f of n, and k you value get the k value you will get from the n power of whatever value of in n power, right? So for always doing the analysis, whenever you apply the master theorem, you have to identify the two value. The first one is log a base b and the second one is k, right? So that is the generalized method for identifying, or we can say that it is the easy way for the analysis. So whenever हमको कोई प्रोग्राम है और कोई अल्गोरिदम है और उसकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी फाइंड करना है, and we have a function, right? So using this two value we can easily identify the complexity, right? So let's see that what that method are. Yes, in that master theorem we have a three cases. The first case, the second and third. In the first case, your log a base b value which is greater than k. तो पहला केस है greater than k होगा, then second equal to k, and third less than k. So this is the first case. If why this is the first case, because we are only checking two value, log a base b and k, right? So हमें always ये दो value ही check करनी है. तो पहली कंडीशन है कि log a base b first value which is greater than value the k. Second, if log a base b is equal to k, so there are three criteria we'll see. And case 3, if log a base b is less than k. So for the master theorem, you have to identify two value. In that for you have three cases, less than, equal to, and greater than, right? So it is very easy to identify whenever your value of log a base b is greater than k. So always your complexity in the form of theta and log a base b. तो ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. तो दो तीन बार लिख देना तो याद रहेगा कि if your log a base b value is greater than the k, so your complexity is always in the form of theta and log a base b. Okay, so let's do the one example over here. I have one function So this is our function. So what I have a function, or we can say the recurrence function t of n is equal to 2t n by 2 plus 1. ऐसा मेरे पास एक function है, right? So what is here? This is the at n by b, and this is your f of n, right? So here a is equal to, what is value for a? 2. What is value for b?
2.
2. What is value for k? Is there any in the power of n?
No.
So what is value of k? It's 0. કશું પાવરમાં હોય તો 1 હોય, otherwise it is 0, right? So let's understand what we have to find. We have to find two values, log a base b and k. So k is directly, we know that it is 0 because there is no value in the power of n. Now what is the log a base 2? So log 2 base 2, what is the value for that?
1.
1, right? So which case satisfy over here? Case 1, right?
Case
what is
1.
the case 1? Log
Theta.
a base b greater than k, right? So according to our theorem and method, what is the answer? Answer is theta
Of
and
n.
log a base b. Please drop the message in chat box. I'm not able to. Yes. Okay. तो कोई बोल रहा था, वो मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था. પછી ઇકો આવશે. હેલો. ચાલુ છે, ચાલુ છે, ચાલુ છે, ચાલુ છે. હેલો. Please pick up something. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Now you are audible. Okay. So here the case 1 satisfy, which is log a base b greater than the k, because our log a base b value is 1 and k is 0. So we can directly write the complexity theta and log a base b. Let's write the value for theta. N is nothing, and log, what is log a base b? It is 1. So I directly write multiply with the 1. So I directly line the complexity is theta n, because this value is 1 we have, right? So that is theta n. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the complexity is theta n. Let's take one more example. We'll solve too much example for the particular cases, so you'll get idea of it. We have another function 4t n by 2 plus n. Okay, what is a value? 4.
4, madam.
2. What is k value? 0.
0.
Right? Because there is nothing in n. Okay, are you sure? See.
1.
Yes. Here there is the 1. ऊपर के केस में हमारे पास 1 था, so there is no k value over here. C. Right? Here we have n, so here the k value is not 0. K value is 1. समझो. ऊपर जो केस, ऊपर वाला जो केस था, वहां पे हमारा कुछ फंक्शन ऐसा था, और वहां पे f of n फंक्शन में 1 था. So there is no one anything power in of 1. Here what we have? n. तो n के पावर में, n सिंगल है तो n के पावर में 1 कंसीडर करेंगे. 1 के पावर में 1 नहीं. What is our function? f of n raised to, what is our function? C. Right? There is the 1. So whenever 1, so always k power is 0. If anything in the f of n, now we have n, right? So that is 1k, right? If n square, so k value is 2. Nothing in a power of n, that is 1, right? n square, so what is k value? 2. n 3, so what is k value? 3. तो अगर f of n है, वो हमारा n है, तो that is k is equal to 1. Clear? 1 का पावर 0, 1 का पावर 1 हो, 1 का पावर 0, वो k कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे हम, बिकॉज व्हाट इज आवर फंक्शन सेड f of n. यहाँ पे 1 मेंशन नहीं किया. गेटिंग? सो दिस इज द मास्टर थ्योरम. ओके, तो अगर 1 है तो दैट इज 0. क्लियर ना? ओके. So now k is equal to 1 because n is there, so k is equal to 1. So what we have to find? 2k's log a base b, and log a base b. What is the value for log a base b?
Madam, 2.
2. Good. So here we have 2. Now tell me which case satisfy over here? Which case satisfy over here?
કેસ તો દેખાડો.
યાદ રાખવાનું ને, કીધા ને 3 કેસ, greater than, less than or equal. Which case over here?
First case.
First case, case 1. What is first case? याद रखने का वो आपको, ठीक है, 10 बार लिख देना. Log A base B greater than K, that is case 1. Yes, so we know that. What is the answer? Theta and log A base B, right? So what we have, what is the value of this? It is 2, so n square, it is in the power. Okay, so again we will work with the case 1. Let's take one more thing. Please mute your mic. Roll number 60. Okay. So here I have one more example. I'll remove it. Don't see the answer, okay? Okay. Chalo. Now, roll number 127. Tell me what is the A value over here? Roll number 127.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the A value over here?
8.
8. What is B value?
2.
What is K value?
1.
Yes. So what is the value for log A base B?
Log 8 base 2.
8 base 2. But what is the 8 base 2? What is the value for log 8 base 2? 1, 2, 3, 0, 4. क्या आएगा?
3.
Yes. क्यों 3? नहीं पता था ना आपको 127. Okay. Now which case satisfy over here?
કેસ 1.
Case
Okay.
1.
Again,
one.
case. So what is the answer? Our complexity is theta, and what is the value for this? Log A base B, it is 3, so that is n cube. The complexity for this function, it is theta n cube. Easy? Understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Next example. Log A base B, अगर log A base B greater than K હોય તો અહીંયા આપણી પાસે K log A base B ની value 3 છે. So that's why it is greater than. હા પછી explain કરી દઉં તમને, બરાબર? હમણાં એમ મોડું થઈ ગયું છે, આપણે આખું થિયરમ પાછો તમને સમજાવી દઈશ. Okay, so now roll number 173. Roll number 173. Are you there? Roll number 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is the A value?
8.
8. What is B value?
2.
K value?
2.
Yeah, good. Now what is the log A base B?
3.
Again same case, because 3 is greater than 2. So answer is theta n raised to log A base B की value क्या है? 3. So again it is theta n cube. This is the complexity. Okay. Sure. Next case. Now we'll work with the case 2. Let's see. Okay. Roll number 183, Parth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the value for A and B over here.
A2, B2,
And K.
1.
Okay. So log A base B. Log 2 base 2. It is 1. K also 1. Which condition satisfy over here? Which condition satisfy over here, Parth?
2.
Second case.
Case 2. Okay. अब केस 2 में भी हमारे पास 3 कंडीशन. P less than P greater than -1, P is equal to -1 and P less than -1. क्या आएगा यहाँ? क्या आएगा? Is there mention P over here? Is there log base value over here in this function? Log value over here. Here there is no P value is mentioned, so we can assume P is equal to 0. If there is no value of P mentioned in the function and case 2 is satisfied, that time assume that P is equal to 0 if not mentioned. If P is equal to 0, I can say that P less than -1. कह सकती हूँ मैं ऐसा?
मैम greater than -1.
Sorry, P greater than -1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So which condition satisfied? Case 1. What is the value for case 1? Theta and K log P plus 1. Log P plus 1. This is the answer. Let's put the answer. Theta, what is the K value? What is the K value?
2.
2. If I'm putting 0 plus 1, क्या आएगा?
मैम इसमें नहीं आएगा, वो नीचे वाले में आएगा.
We are doing example 5.
What? Oh, sorry. Yes. Theta and K log P plus 1, right? So what we have? Theta and square. अब क्या करें इसका? Log P, if I'm putting 0 plus 1, so what is the answer?
मैम इधर
K की वैल्यू 1 है.
Okay, n आएगा. K की वैल्यू 1 है. Okay, whatever K value we have to put over here. So K1, so the only n. What is the value for this? N is right. K की value 1 है, so that's fine. Whatever K value you have to put on the power of K, power of n. If I'm putting log 0 plus 1, I want an answer for this.
log 1 will be 0.
चलो बोलो. No. चलो बोलो फटाफट.
मैम अगर बेस 10 कंसीडर करें तो log 1 तो 0 होगा ना.
log यहाँ पे n 1 और n है. चलो 0 plus 1 हो, अगर आपके वो छोड़ो 0 plus 1 हो, उसका आंसर क्या है डायरेक्टली वो मुझे बताओ. There is n also, okay, not only. Where is example 5? Yes, यहाँ पे one more n है, okay. Log P plus n, P plus 1 n. 0 plus 1, so what is the answer?
Log n.
Correct. So log n. Right. Why it is log n? Can you explain? I just want for answer for this log 0 plus 1. n तो आएगा ही as it is. n तो function में ही है, तो वो हमें डालना ही है. n का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Tell me. क्या? कुछ नहीं है फंक्शन में. आंसर दो. log 0 plus 1 obviously log 1 होगा, so that's why log. Simple. Okay. Roll number 70. Ajay. 70. Roll number 70. Are you there? Ajay, are you there? Roll number 43. Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is the A value over here?
Hello.
What is
4.
okay? E value?
B value 2 and
K value. K
2.
okay. So log A base B, log 4 base 2. What is the value? What is K value? Which condition satisfy over here? K.
First.
2.
Why? Case 2. 2 is equal to 2. We have
Right.
equal log A base B, right? So this is the value over here. Now we have 3 cases. Now tell me in this function, where is the example 6? Yes, we are on here. Is there P value mentioned over here? Is there P value mentioned over here?
No, ma'am.
Any other student? Any other student? Roll number 54.
Yes, ma'am.
P value, what is the P value for example 6? So again, I'm repeating, whenever you have log function in function of f of n, what is our function of f of n? This one, right? So if any log function is available in f of n, then we get the p value from this log of function p, right? If in f of n there is no log function available, then you can directly say that for the case 2 we have a p is equal to 0. Still again I have only n square, there is no log of n, right? So again I can say that p is equal to 0. If p is equal to 0, what is the answer? Case 2 में case 2 में first approach, case 2 में first approach, what is the answer? थीटा, यहाँ से आप देख सकते हो, n log p plus 1 n, right? What is the n? n power कुछ है
मैम n पावर n स्क्वायर होगा ना?
और log p plus 1
N
n में
power
क्या है?
K. N power K.
Yes, yes. What is the answer? डायरेक्ट बोलो, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 0 plus 1 again. Again, let me check.
Square log n.
Correct, right? So n square log n is the complexity for the example 6. See, second example here. What we have 40 n by 2 n square log n. So here we have logarithm function. So what is p value over here?
1.
Right? So here I have mentioned that a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, k is equal to 2, and then we'll find 2, k also 2. So case 2 में we have function log p. P is equal to 1. If p is equal to 1, so what is the function? What we can put? Not minus 1. p is equal to 1. Minus 1 नहीं है, तो कौन सी condition हम satisfy करेंगे? This is for minus 1. We have equal 1, p equal to 1. तो कौन सी कंडीशन आएगी? If we have p equal to 1, तो क्या आएगा?
First condition, p is greater than minus 1.
Correct. Is greater than minus 1. So again it is same answer, theta n log p plus 1. Now why we have this, again I'm putting the answer, theta n k log p plus 1 n, right? So what we have, k value n square, p की value क्या है? 1 plus 1 and n. So that's why theta n square log square n. Getting? Yes or no? ओके, अब आप लोगों को ये एग्जांपल 9 और 10 खुद करना है. चलो ट्राई. थोड़ा मैं क्लियर कर देती हूँ तो आपको दिखे. सबको ये करना है. एग्जांपल 9 and 10. अरे, wait a minute. आपको भी करना है. बीजो आप इसमें चिंता ना करो, मैं बाजू में बैठे हूँ. ओके, ये 4 के करने 9 10 11 12. फॉर रेफरेंस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक द स्नैपशॉट ऑफ इट, तो आपको पता चले कि कौन से कहाँ क्या वैल्यू लेनी है. टेक अ स्नैपशॉट फॉर दिस कंडीशंस. I'm clearing out it. Take snapshot it and draw. One student please drop the snapshot in chat box. Done. Now working on 9 10 11 12. ये 9 10 11 12 करना है आपको. के चैट बॉक्स में डन लिखो.
Ma'am, can you scroll to the questions?
Done? Done or not?
10th doing, ma'am.
Okay. Don't drop the answer in chat box. I'll ask one by one. Okay.
मैम सिर्फ 9 और 10 ही करना है ना?
11, 12 भी tag करना है. Okay, so time is over. We'll discuss in the next lecture. Now you all of you may leave. Thank you. Sorry for inconvenience.